Pricing low-voltage walkway lighting involves several factors. The project scope is key, considering the number of fixtures, the length of the walkway, and the complexity of the installation. The type of lighting fixtures also matters, taking into account the cost and quality of the lights and the materials used. Material costs include items like copper wire, transformers, and conduit. Labor costs depend on the hourly rate and the number of installers required. Overhead expenses such as insurance, equipment, and transportation must be factored in. Finally, the desired profit margin affects the overall price. Based on these factors, estimated prices for low-voltage walkway lighting can range. A basic installation could cost from $100 to $250 per fixture. A mid-range installation might range from $250 to $400 per fixture. A high-end installation could be $400 or more per fixture. Additional considerations include site conditions such as accessibility, obstacles, and soil conditions. The warranty coverage and length should be clear. Also factor in the frequency and cost of ongoing maintenance. For pricing tips, firstly, it's important to get a site visit to assess the project scope in person. Secondly, provide a detailed estimate outlining all costs and materials included. Thirdly, consider bundled pricing, offering a discount for larger projects. Fourthly, be competitive by researching market prices and adjusting your rates accordingly. Fifthly, negotiate with clients, being willing to compromise on pricing within reason. For example, for a basic installation of 10 low-voltage walkway fixtures, including copper wire, transformers, and labor, you might charge approximately $1,500 to $2,000.